Hello, you're welcome to today's lesson. Today we want to make a levitating cone. It will look like this. When we blow air through this tube, it's going to make whatever you put here to suspend. It could be a ball, a cone, or anything. Now to do this, you need a cardboard, you need paper straw, two types of tape. We have double-sided tape, masking tape, a pin, your scissors, ruler, pencil, and adhesive putty. This is like a gum. It will help to prevent air from leaving this part. You can use it to hold two things together. So let's start with our cardboard paper. You're going to measure 9 inches by 6 inches. So let's use a pencil and measure 9 inches from here to this side. Mark 9 inches. Then this other side, mark 6 inches from here to here. 6 inches. So let's repeat it here also. 6 inches. 6 inches. Good. So join these two lines together. And then this one, 9 inches. So this is the part we need. So we'll cut this one out. So let's carefully cut it with the scissors. Here. Next, you get your double-sided tape and put it across this end. Here's how it works. You open it. When you cut it, you place it along this side towards the edge. Carefully. Something like this. Then you cut out the excess part. Here too. Now you remove this outer part, this white part. Remove it like this carefully. Good, that's it. So take it out. Next, you get your pencil and you roll it across this part like this to create the tube. Like this. Along this part carefully. Have something like this. Remove the sponge. You have a tube like this. Next, you get your masking tape. You wrap it around one of the ends. This. Then you cut it. Use your scissors to take it inside. You have something like this. Repeat the same thing at the other end. Like this, and you cut. You have something like this. But let's totally close this end with the masking tape. So let's close this end like this. So cut this part out, cut this part out. We'll do it like this, like this, like this, and like this. This to prevent air from coming out. So let's test it. Okay. Next, you get your pin and you bore a hole around this part carefully. Bore a hole around this part. Then you make the hole wider using your scissors. And let's test it. Next, you get your paper straw and you measure about 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters of paper straw, and then you mark it and cut. When you're done, you also measure about 1 centimeter from the paper straw like this. Then use your scissors and make a straight line around this part like this. Then you go to the other side directly opposite it and do the same thing to that 1 centimeter mark. Then you have something like this. Then you lift up one of the parts you cut. So I have something like this. You have something like this when you lift it up. The other part will be straight and this one will be lifted up. Then you get the tube and then you carefully put this part inside and you have something like this. So when you're done, you get your adhesive putty, this one. You get a small portion of it. You turn the rest and wrap it around to prevent air from coming out like this. You have something like this. So let's test it and see if air is coming out of this place. That's good. Next, you make your cone, or if you have a ball, you put it here. So let's quickly make a cone with our cardboard paper. Let's cut this part out. So to make a cone, you just get a cardboard paper, you roll it this way and cut this part out. Good. Suspend it like this. Then you get your double-sided tape. You place it along this part. Remove it. So you make your cone like this. Then you have something like this. And you cut this other part out. Your cone is set. Let's clear a table and test what we've done. So get your tube, put your comb here like this, and then carefully blow it. So let's go. It just flew out. Let's do it again. Good. So the force from the air lifted up the cone. You can use a ball or a balloon. That'll be all about levitating ball today. We use cardboard paper, adhesive putty, and masking tape, paper straw. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.